Plant Biology, 401 to 500. Question 401. Did you know? What is botany? Botany is the scientific study of plants. Question 402. Did you know? What are the main characteristics of plants? Multicellular, eukaryotic, autotrophic, with cell walls containing cellulose. Question 403. Did you know? What is photosynthesis in plants? Photosynthesis converts light energy, CO2 and water, into glucose and oxygen. Question 404. Did you know? Where does photosynthesis occur in plants? Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplasts, mainly in leaf cells. Question 405. Did you know? What are the main plant organs? Roots, stems, and leaves are the main vegetative organs. Question 406. Did you know? What is the function of roots? Roots anchor plants, absorb water and minerals, and store nutrients. Question 407. Did you know? What is the function of stems? Stems support leaves and flowers, transport materials, and store nutrients. Question 408. Did you know? What is the function of leaves? Leaves conduct photosynthesis, gas exchange, and transpiration. Question 4. Did you know? What is the cuticle? The cuticle is a waxy layer on leaves that reduces water loss. Question 410. Did you know? What are stomata? Stomata are pores on leaves that regulate gas exchange and transpiration. Question 411. Did you know? What are guard cells? Guard cells surround stomata and control their opening and closing. Question 412. Did you know? What is transpiration? Transpiration is water evaporation from plant surfaces, mainly through stomata. Question 413. Did you know? What is the xylem? Xylem transports water and minerals from roots to other plant parts. Question 414. Did you know? What is the phloem? Phloem transports sugars and nutrients throughout the plant. Question 415. Did you know? What is vascular tissue? Vascular tissue, xylem and phloem, transports materials in plants. Question 416. Did you know? What are non-vascular plants? Non-vascular plants lack xylem and phloem, like mosses and liverworts. Question 417. Did you know? What are vascular plants? Vascular plants have xylem and phloem for efficient transport. Question 418. Did you know? What are angiosperms? Angiosperms are flowering plants that produce seeds enclosed in fruits. Question 419. Did you know? What are gymnosperms? Gymnosperms are plants with naked seeds, typically in cones, like conifers. Question 420. Did you know? What is a flower? A flower is the reproductive structure of angiosperms. Question 421. Did you know? What are the main parts of a flower? Sepals, petals, stamens, male, and pistil, female. Question 422. Did you know? What is the stamen? The stamen is the male reproductive organ containing pollen. Question 423. Did you know? What is the pistil? The pistil is the female reproductive organ containing the ovary. Question 424. Did you know? What is pollen? Pollen contains male gametes for plant reproduction. Question 425. Did you know? What is pollination? Pollination is pollen transfer from anther to stigma. Question 426. Did you know? What are pollinators? Pollinators are animals that transfer pollen between flowers, like bees and birds. Question 427. Did you know? What is self-pollination? Self-pollination occurs when pollen fertilizes the same flower or plant. Question 428. Did you know? What is cross-pollination? Cross-pollination occurs when pollen fertilizes a different plant. Question 429. Did you know? What is fertilization in plants? Fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes to form a zygote. Question 430. Did you know? What is double fertilization? Double fertilization in angiosperms produces an embryo and endosperm. Question 431. Did you know? What is a seed? A seed contains an embryo, stored food, and protective coat. Question 432. Did you know? What is the function of a seed? Seeds protect and nourish embryos and enable plant dispersal. Question 433. Did you know? What is germination? Germination is when a seed begins to grow into a new plant. Question 434. Did you know? What conditions are needed for germination? Water, oxygen, and appropriate temperature are needed. Question 435. Did you know? What is a fruit? A fruit is a mature ovary containing seeds. Question 436. Did you know? What is the function of fruit? Fruit protects seeds and aids in dispersal. Question 437. Did you know? What is seed dispersal? Seed dispersal is spreading seeds away from parent plants. Question 438. Did you know? What are methods of seed dispersal? Wind, water, animals, and mechanical dispersal. Question 439. Did you know? What is a cotyledon? A cotyledon is an embryonic seed leaf that stores or absorbs nutrients. Question 440. Did you know? What are monocots? Monocots are plants with one cotyledon, parallel leaf veins, and flower parts in threes. Question 441. Did you know? What are dicots? Dicots are plants with two cotyledons, branched leaf veins, and flower parts in fours or fives. Question 442. Did you know? What is a root system? A root system is all roots of a plant. Question 443. Did you know? What is a taproot? A taproot is a large central root with smaller lateral roots. Question 444. Did you know? What is a fibrous root system? A fibrous root system has many thin roots of similar size. Question 445. Did you know? What are root hairs? Root hairs are extensions that increase surface area for absorption. Question 446. Did you know Meristems are regions of actively dividing cells that enable plant growth. Question 448. Did you know? What is apical meristem? Apical meristem at shoot and root tips causes primary growth, lengthening. Question 449. Did you know? What is lateral meristem? Lateral meristem, cambium, causes secondary growth, thickening. Question 450. Did you know? What are plant hormones? Plant hormones are chemical signals that regulate growth and development. Question 451. Did you know? What is auxin? Auxin promotes cell elongation, root formation, and controls tropisms. Question 452. Did you know? What is gibberellin? Gibberellin stimulates stem elongation and seed germination. Question 453. Did you know? What is cytokinin? Cytokinin promotes cell division and delays aging. Question 454. Did you know? What is ethylene? Ethylene promotes fruit ripening and leaf abscission. Question 405. Did you know? What is abscisic acid? Abscisic acid promotes dormancy and closes stomata during stress. Question 456. Did you know? What is phototropism? Phototropism is growth toward or away from light. Question 457. Did you know? What is gravitropism? Gravitropism is growth in response to gravity. Roots down, shoots up. Question 458. Did you know? What is thigmotropism? Thigmotropism is growth response to touch, like climbing vines. Question 459. Did you know? What is photoperiodism? Photoperiodism is plant response to day length affecting flowering. Question 460. Did you know? What are short day plants? Short day plants flower when nights are longer than a critical length. Question 461. Did you know? What are long day plants? Long day plants flower when nights are shorter than a critical length. Question 462. Did you know? What are day neutral plants? Day neutral plants flower regardless of day length. Question 463. Did you know? What is dormancy? Dormancy is a period of suspended growth and metabolic activity. Question 464. Did you know? What is abscission? Abscission is the shedding of leaves, flowers, or fruits. Question 465. Did you know? What causes fall leaf colors? Chlorophyll breakdown reveals other pigments, like carotenoids and anthocyanins. Question 466. Did you know? What is nitrogen fixation in plants? Some plants have symbiotic bacteria that convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable forms. Question 467. Did you know? What are legumes? Legumes are plants like beans and peas with nitrogen-fixing bacteria in root nodules. Question 468. Did you know? What are mycorrhizae? Mycorrhizae are symbiotic fungi root associations that enhance nutrient absorption. Question 469. Did you know? What is vegetative reproduction? Vegetative reproduction is asexual plant reproduction from vegetative parts. Question 470. Did you know? What are examples of vegetative reproduction? Runners, tubers, bulbs, corms, and fragmentation. Question 471. Did you know? What are runners? Runners are horizontal stems producing new plants at nodes. Question 472. Did you know? What are tubers? Tubers are swollen underground stems storing nutrients, like potatoes. Question 473. Did you know? What are bulbs? Bulbs are underground storage organs with fleshy leaves, like onions. Question 474. Did you know? What is grafting? Grafting joins parts of two plants so they grow as one. Question 475. Did you know? What is tissue culture? Tissue culture grows plants from small tissue samples in controlled conditions. Question 476. Did you know? What are deciduous plants? Deciduous plants shed leaves seasonally. Question 477. Did you know? What are evergreen plants? Evergreen plants retain leaves year-round. Question 478. Did you know? What is the alternation of generations? Alternation of generations alternates between diploid sporophyte and haploid gametophyte stages. Question 479. Did you know? What is a sporophyte? The sporophyte is the diploid generation producing spores. Question 480. Did you know? What is a gametophyte? The gametophyte is the haploid generation producing gametes. Question 481. Did you know? What are bryophytes? Bryophytes are non-vascular plants like mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. Question 482. Did you know? What are pteridophytes? Pteridophytes are vascular plants that reproduce by spores, like ferns. Question 483. Did you know? What is a spore? A spore is a reproductive cell that develops into a new organism without fertilization. Question 484. Did you know? What is a rhizome? A rhizome is a horizontal underground stem that produces roots and shoots. Question 485. Did you know? What is bark? Bark is the protective outer covering of woody stems and roots. Question 486. Did you know? What are annual rings? Annual rings are growth layers in woody stems, indicating years of growth. Question 487. Did you know? What is heartwood? Heartwood is older, non-functional xylem, providing structural support. Question 488. Did you know sapwood? Sapwood is younger, functional xylem that transports water. Question 488. Did you know? What is the cambium? Cambium is meristematic tissue producing secondary xylem and phloem. Question 490. Did you know? What is the epidermis in plants? The epidermis is the outer protective layer of plant organs. Question 491. Did you know? What is the mesophyll? Mesophyll is the photosynthetic tissue in leaves between upper and lower epidermis. Question 492. Did you know? What is the palisade mesophyll? Palisade mesophyll contains tightly packed cells for maximum photosynthesis. Question 493. Did you know? What is the spongy mesophyll? Spongy mesophyll has loosely arranged cells with air spaces for gas exchange. Question 494. Did you know? What are leaf veins? Leaf veins contain vascular tissue, xylem, and phloem, and provide support. Question 495. Did you know? What is a simple leaf? A simple leaf has a single blade attached to the stem. Question 496. Did you know? What is a compound leaf? A compound leaf has multiple leaflets on a single petiole. Question 497. Did you know? What is the petiole? The petiole is the stalk attaching the leaf blade to the stem. Question 498. Did you know? What are tendrils? Tendrils are modified leaves or stems that help climbing plants attach to supports. Question 499. Did you know? What are thorns? Thorns are modified branches providing protection against herbivores. Question 500. Did you know? What are carnivorous plants? Carnivorous plants obtain nutrients by trapping and digesting insects and other small animals. Microbiology, 501 to 600. Question 50. 51. Did you know? What is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms. Question 502. Did you know? What are microorganisms? Microorganisms are living organisms too small to see without magnification. Question 503. Did you know? What are the main types of microorganisms? Bacteria, archaea, fungi, protists, and viruses. Question 504. Did you know? What are bacteria? Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic organisms found everywhere. Question 505. Did you know? What are the shapes of bacteria? Cocci, spherical, bacilli, rod-shaped, and spirilla, spiral. Question 506. Did you know? What is a bacterial cell wall made of? Most bacterial cell walls contain peptidoglycan. Question 507. Did you know? What is gram staining? Gram staining classifies bacteria as gram-positive or gram-negative based on cell wall structure. Question 508. Did you know? What are gram-positive bacteria? Gram-positive bacteria have thick peptidoglycan walls and stain purple. Question 509. Did you know? What are gram-negative bacteria? Gram-negative bacteria have thin peptidoglycan walls and outer membranes, staining pink. Question 510. Did you know? What is binary fission? Binary fission is asexual bacterial reproduction by cell division. Question 511. Did you know? What is bacterial conjugation? Conjugation transfers genetic material between bacteria through a pilus. Question 512. Did you know? What is a plasmid? A plasmid is a small circular DNA molecule in bacteria, separate from chromosomal DNA. Question 513. Did you know? What are flagella in bacteria? Flagella are whip-like structures enabling bacterial movement. Question 514. Did you know? What are pili? Pili are hair-like appendages on bacteria for attachment and DNA transfer. Question 515. Did you know? What is a biofilm? A biofilm is a community of bacteria adhering to surfaces in a protective matrix. Question 516. Did you know? What are endospores? Endospores are dormant, resistant bacterial structures formed under harsh conditions. Question 517. Did you know? What are archaea? Archaea are single-celled prokaryotes often living in extreme environments. Question 518. Did you know? How do archaea differ from bacteria? Archaea have different cell wall composition, membrane lipids, and genetic machinery. Question 519. Did you know? What are extremophiles? Extremophiles are organisms thriving in extreme environmental conditions. Question 520. Did you know? What are thermophiles? Thermophiles thrive in extremely high temperatures. Question 521. Did you know? What are halophiles? Halophiles thrive in extremely salty environments. Question 522. Did you know? What are methanogens? Methanogens are archaea that produce methane as a metabolic byproduct. Question 523. Did you know? What are viruses? Viruses are non-living infectious particles containing genetic material in a protein coat. Question 524. Did you know? Are viruses living organisms? Viruses are not considered living because they cannot reproduce independently. Question 525. Did you know? What is a virion? A virion is a complete virus particle outside a host cell. Question 526. Did you know? What is a capsid? A capsid is the protein coat surrounding viral genetic material. Question 527. Did you know? What is the viral envelope? The viral envelope is a lipid membrane surrounding some viruses derived from host cells. Question 528. Did you know? What is a bacteriophage? A bacteriophage is a virus that infects bacteria. Question 529. Did you know? What is the lytic cycle? The lytic cycle destroys host cells by producing and releasing new viruses. Question 530. Did you know? What is the lysogenic cycle? The lysogenic cycle integrates viral DNA into host genome without immediately destroying the cell. Question 531. Did you know? What are retroviruses? Retroviruses use reverse transcriptase to convert RNA into DNA in host cells. Question 532. Did you know? What is HIV? HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is a retrovirus that causes AIDS. Question 533. Did you know? What is a prion? A prion is an infectious misfolded protein causing brain diseases. Question 534. Did you know? What are fungi? Fungi are eukaryotic organisms including yeasts, molds, and mushrooms. Question 535. Did you know? What is the structure of fungal cells? Fungal cells have cell walls made of chitin. Question 536. Did you know? What are hyphae? Hyphae are thread-like fungal structures forming the mycelium. Question 537. Did you know? What is mycelium? Mycelium is the network of hyphae forming the fungal body. Question 538. Did you know? How do fungi obtain nutrients? Fungi are heterotrophs that absorb nutrients from dead or living organic matter. Question 539. Did you know? What is a saprophyte? A saprophyte obtains nutrients from dead organic matter. Question 540. Did you know? What are yeasts? Yeasts are single-celled fungi used in baking and brewing. Question 541. Did you know? How do fungi reproduce? Fungi reproduce sexually and asexually through spores. Question 542. Did you know? What are spores in fungi? Spores are reproductive cells that develop into new fungi. Question 543. Did you know? What are mushrooms? Mushrooms are fungal fruiting bodies that produce spores. Question 544. Did you know? What is fermentation by yeast? Yeast fermentation converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Question 545. Chacomarnain and nain. Did you know? What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are substances that kill or inhibit bacterial growth. Question 546. Did you know? Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928. Question 547. Did you know? What is antibiotic resistance? Antibiotic resistance occurs when bacteria evolve to survive antibiotic treatment. Question 548. Did you know? What causes antibiotic resistance? Overuse and misuse of antibiotics drive natural selection for resistant bacteria. Question 549. Did you know? What are protists? Protists are diverse eukaryotic organisms, mostly unicellular, including protozoa and algae. Question 5 pause. Ketiki. Did you know? What are protozoa? Protozoa are animal-like protists that are heterotrophic and often motile. Question 551. Did you know? What are examples of protozoa? Amoeba, paramecium, and plasmodium. Causes malaria. Question 552. Did you know? What are algae? Algae are plant-like protists capable of photosynthesis. Question 553. Sign Python. Sexen na Samson. Dice. Did you know? What are diatoms? Diatoms are algae with silica cell walls forming intricate patterns. Question 554. Did you know? What is plankton? Plankton are small organisms drifting in aquatic environments. Question 555. Did you know? What is phytoplankton? Phytoplankton are photosynthetic plankton, mainly algae and cyanobacteria. Question 556. Did you know what is zooplankton? Zooplankton are heterotrophic plankton, mainly protozoa and small animals. Question 557. Did you know? What are cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic bacteria, formerly called blue-green algae. Question 558. Did you know? What is the importance of cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria produce oxygen and fix nitrogen in ecosystems. Question 559. Did you know? What are pathogenic microorganisms? Pathogenic microorganisms cause disease in hosts. Question 560. Did you know? What is a pathogen? A pathogen is any disease-causing organism or agent. Question 561. Did you know? What is an infection? An infection occurs when pathogens invade and multiply in host tissues. Question 562. Did you know? What is the germ theory? Germ theory states that microorganisms cause many diseases. Question 563. Did you know? Who proposed the germ theory? Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch established the germ theory. Question 564. Did you know? What are Koch's postulates? Koch's postulates are criteria establishing microorganisms as disease causes. Question 565. Did you know? What is pasteurization? Pasteurization heats liquids to kill pathogenic microorganisms. Question 566. Did you know? What is sterilization? Sterilization eliminates all microorganisms from objects or surfaces. Question 567. Did you know? What is disinfection? Disinfection reduces microorganisms on surfaces to safe levels. Question 568. Did you Is the substance preventing infection odor, sir? Question 569. Do you know, what is a septic technique? A septic technique prevents contamination during procedures requiring sterility. Question 570. Did you know? What is bacterial culture? Bacterial culture grows bacteria in controlled laboratory conditions. Question 571. Did you know? What is a culture medium? A culture medium provides nutrients for microbial growth. Question 572. Did you know? What is agar? Agar is a gel derived from seaweed used in culture media. Question 573. Did you know? What is a pure culture? A pure culture contains only one species of microorganism. Question 574. Did you know? What is a colony? A colony is a visible cluster of microorganisms growing on solid medium. Question 575. Did you know? What is microbial growth? Microbial growth is an increase in cell number through reproduction. Question 576. Did you know? What is the lag phase? The lag phase is when bacteria adapt to new conditions without significant growth. Question 577. Did you know? What is the log phase? The log phase is rapid exponential bacterial growth. Question 578. Did you know? What is the stationary phase? The stationary phase occurs when growth rate equals death rate. Question 579. Did you know? What is the death phase? The death phase is when bacteria die faster than they reproduce. Question 580. Did you know? What factors affect microbial growth? Temperature, pH, oxygen, nutrients, and moisture affect growth. Question 581. Did you know? What are aerobic bacteria? Aerobic bacteria require oxygen for growth. Question 582. Did you know? What are anaerobic bacteria? Anaerobic bacteria grow without oxygen. Some are killed by oxygen. Question 583. Did you know? What are facultative anaerobes? Facultative anaerobes grow with or without oxygen. Question 584. Did you know? What is nitrogen fixation by bacteria? Nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. Question 585. Did you know? What are decomposer bacteria? Decomposer bacteria break down organic matter, recycling nutrients. Question 586. Did you know? What is bioremediation? Bioremediation uses microorganisms to clean up environmental pollutants. Question 587. Sat einmal fort sau. Did you know? What are probiotics? Probiotics are beneficial live microorganisms supporting digestive health. Question 588. Did you know? What is the human microbiome? The human microbiome is all microorganisms living on and in the human body. Question 589. Did you know? What is normal flora? Normal flora are microorganisms naturally inhabiting the body without causing disease. Question 590. Did you know? What are opportunistic pathogens? Opportunistic pathogens cause disease when immune defenses are compromised. Question 591. Did you know? What is a viral infection? A viral infection occurs when viruses enter cells and replicate. Question 592. Sunday inhibit bioreactors, we don't kill viruses. And say and currently faust and. Did you know? What is a vaccine? A vaccine stimulates immunity against specific pathogens without causing disease. Question 594. Did you know? How do vaccines work? Vaccines expose the immune system to antigens, creating memory cells for future protection. Question 595. Did you know? What is herd immunity? Herd immunity occurs when enough population is immune to prevent disease spread. Question 596. Did you know? What are enzymes from microorganisms used for? Microbial enzymes are used in detergents, food processing, and biotechnology. Question 597. Did you know? What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering modifies organism DNA using biotechnology. Question 598. Did you know? What is recombinant DNA? Recombinant DNA combines DNA from different sources. Question 599. Did you know? What role do bacteria play in genetic engineering? Bacteria serve as hosts for producing recombinant proteins like insulin. Question 600. Did you know? What is microbial biotechnology? Microbial biotechnology uses microorganisms to produce useful products like antibiotics and enzymes.